I'm getting a bit of a deja vu because last time it was Janvi opening the door for me and now it's you. But lovely to see you.
Thank
and
you.
You're wearing a really nice kurta.
Thank you.
Last time we saw Janvi slipping into her comfortable pajamas.
They were my pajamas actually.
They were yours?
Yes.
Oh, okay. And she said that you would steal her clothes all the time.
Guts. She has some guts.
I'm carrying a pair of pajamas just in case you want to be super
You thought
comfortable.
this would be a pajama party today.
And you love throwing pajama parties, don't you?
I do actually.
Beautiful home. We didn't explore this side of the house. And I can see one beautiful flying statue without any support. What is that exactly?
Well, my dad likes to say it's based off of him in his younger days, but that's just a really bad dad joke. But we can go outside and have a look.
Yeah, sure. Wow. Quite a luxury to have outdoor space in Mumbai.
Yeah, it's nice because the dogs have a lot of space to run around and everything.
Yeah.
But I actually don't spend a lot of time outdoor as much as I would have liked. I'm just used to like being comfy on my couch.
Oh, is that where you spend most of your time?
Yeah, my entire day goes on my sofa.
Really?
I'm watching TV with the dogs.
I'm
and
quite
that's
intrigued by the statue. How is it holding up like that?
There's a thing behind it that's
Which is
kind of-
hidden.
Yeah.
Oh.
I mean, once you come up close, you can see it. I like the space we have here much more. That's a pool, and if you can see, it's been barricaded because we have a lot of dogs. And
Right.
whenever they come out, the first thing they do is immediately jump into the pool. So we've had to make a fence and barricade it and lock it. There's a proper tala on the pool.
Really?
I think it's the only house that
Where
has
the
a
pool-
tala on the pool. We have 5 dogs in the house.
Really? And who's like the biggest dog lover in the house?
I had the 2 little ones, which are both mine. Like they
Okay.
sleep with me, they're with me all the time. And then my sister got these giant dogs recently this year, and suddenly she's become a dog person as well.
So there are literally more dogs living here than humans.
Yes.
Yes?
And my dad just suddenly he'll wake up and there'll be another dog in the house, and he'll have to threaten us, say, I'm gonna move out of this house if you don't stop.
Would love to see the pool
Yeah,
there.
we can see it through the
The
jail.
tala. Through the tala. Do you go for a swim often or no?
I, in 3 years, have never used the pool.
Not
actually.
even once.
Not once.
So who's been using the pool?
The dogs. That's why
Okay.
dad was like, why have we moved to this house so the dogs can enjoy it?
It's got nice outdoor seating here.
Yeah, my friends like to come over a lot because we love to host people. We
Yeah.
love food and feeding people, as you would have recalled.
Yes, but how much of a foodie are you?
I think everyone in our family is quite a foodie. Maybe not as much as Janvi.
What about your exercise and all?
My gym is right here actually, so I can even walk and reach. It's very
Do you go
convenient.
walking though?
I come back walking usually. It's a nice down the slope walk.
Yeah, Bandra is a great place to live, isn't it?
Yeah.